Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. As most of you experienced players know full well, TAW, Tactical Air War, is the most visceral and most exciting of the dynamic campaigns. Over the years, the campaign system has gone through many iterations, providing both strategic goals and tactical goals on the battlefield. As such, if all you do is shoot up a bunch of tanks, you're not going to move the front line forward. That's imperative to win the map. As we've said before, this is not for new players. This is for people who are able to communicate online on Discord or on SRS. However, new players are always welcome, but they need to have a level of skill above asking questions like, how do I close my canopy? Bear in mind that there have been many changes since the last TAW in the supply chain system and how tanks and cities are supplied. So make sure you read the manual on the supply system so you understand what is the best target to hit to have the most bang for your buck. After all, your life is on the line. Battles are won by men, but wars are won by logistics. So pay attention to the supply system here. It's really important on how the front line moves forward. You can see here that we've killed a lot of their tanks. But if we don't go after their depots, then those tanks keep reproducing. So there's little benefit in killing 10 tanks if they produce another 15. Another realistic challenge that they've introduced is the flying of night missions. This really helps you with your navigation skills, especially on the Moscow map in winter. And here we're doing a supply run. Can you see the airfield that I'm about to land on? Definitely has its challenges. I guess the upside to attacking targets at night is that flak is very easy to see. But there are plenty of daytime missions, which creates its own problems in that visibility sometimes is unlimited and you stick out like a sore thumb. To avoid detection, we fly just above the treetops to drop these paratroopers to attack the supplies at the enemy town. And I can hear some of you saying, oh, why would I do that? I'm a fighter pilot. I don't want to fly transport like a big bus. And the answer to that is that you have to consider the big picture in helping the team, and also you get a shitload of combat points. If you successfully drop 16 paratroopers, you will get 1 combat point for each one, plus 1 point for every 10 minutes of flying time. That's why I've got 20 on this 40-minute flight. In comparison, just compare any regular sortie or transport run where you might get 2 or 4 points. And why do you need points? Well, you need 25 points to get a new aircraft. So getting 20 in one batch means you fly twice and you get a brand new aircraft. Ta-da! So here's a brief clip of Rooster and I defending the train station. And as you can see, it's as black as the inside of a cow. And no, in-game we don't have the benefit of the little blue and red icons. And dogfighting at night above the trees has a special pucker factor all of its own. This TAW campaign was only 1 map long, and it concluded with a win by the Allies. Based on the success of this map, the community developers are going to look at doing a second and possibly a third map. Join the TAW Discord, which you can find on the TAW website, and that will keep you up to date with when the next campaign is happening. So until then, thanks for watching guys, see you next time. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.